What makes something alive? A rock exists, but it's not alive. A cat? Definitely alive. So what's the difference? Biologists use 5 basic properties to define life. Let's break them down with examples. Number 1. Organization. All living things are made of cells. Bacteria are 1 cell. You? Trillions. A rock? 0 cells. A virus? Also not cellular, just a protein shell and genetic material. Number 2. Metabolism. Living things need energy. Trees use sunlight. Humans eat tacos. A flame might look alive, but it doesn't metabolize, it just burns. Number 3. Homeostasis. Life keeps balance inside. You sweat to cool off. Fish regulate salt in their cells. But salt crystals, they sit there, no balance to keep. Number 4. Growth and reproduction. All living things grow and reproduce to create more of themselves. Mold spreads. Dogs have puppies. A virus only reproduces with a host. No host, no life. Number 5. Response to stimuli. Touch a Venus flytrap, it snaps shut. You jump at a loud noise. Even bacteria swim toward food. But a spoon? No reaction, no matter how loud you yell. So if it's cellular, uses energy, keeps balance, reproduces and responds, it's alive. Miss a few? Maybe it's not. That's how biology separates the living from the not-so-living.